probably thinking I'm going through like a midlife crisis or something. Hey guys, welcome back to what are we gonna do to my hair today, featuring my poor hair. So as you guys saw the last time, I bleached the roots and I toned them with the box dye, but I felt like it was like still super orangey, so I went back and I added more bleach, the same areas pretty much from the roots to like maybe mid-length here, so that's why it looks a little brighter. The only thing is, so I didn't bleach this, that's why it looks a little bit darker, and that's because I had a lot of white in it and I didn't want to damage it anymore. So I do like the blonde that it shows here, but I'm not into like the roots being so light, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the shadow root, maybe to about there. So the dye that I'll be using is this color, and I've never used this color before. Well, I don't know how good it is, but I do want to try it out. A tanner on, that's why it looks so weird. But so I decided to do my hair today. That way, whenever I wash the tanner off, I can just wash everything. This is what the little tube looks like. If you are depositing color to your hair, you don't want to use anything higher than a 10 volume developer. But pretty much what I'm expecting this to look like is like the bottom of my hair. That's why I didn't bleach it, because you can see the darkness, but the highlights are pretty white, and that's what I want. Cover like the super blonde parts. It's more like covering, of course, the root and the more orangey parts, and you can take it as low as you want to. I'm just trying to, like I said, get it most on the orange parts and really like leave like the nice blonde out of it. I don't want to use all the dye just in case I like miss some spots. I can always go back. And the reason why I kind of brush it too is because like it'll help with the dye spreading down a little. Like it'll help blend it more. And I do recommend having like one of these tail rock combs, because they really do help you like get whether you're highlighting or separating hair, it'll help you really get the right amount of hair. Other products can be too thick, so you might grab like too much hair. Especially if you're trying to highlight, you don't want to grab too much hair. Also, use gloves. I just didn't want to go back in the kitchen because I'm hiding from my toddler. And if he sees me, he's going to want to come in here, and I don't want him smelling the dye. I feel so weird because I decided to do my blonde hair at the same time that I decided to tan. So I feel like my husband's probably thinking I'm going through like a midlife crisis or something. Yeah, if you have somebody to help you do the back, definitely recommend getting someone to help you because it is hard.